Axie limitlessness cost commonly equivalent to $4.4741 a coin, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The present exchanged cost range 4.4722 to 4.5221 in a genuinely significant way. The earlier day close 4.5116, or so they especially thought. The change in every way that really matters was 0.0375, 0.83% amazingly. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Axies, which is genuinely huge. Axie vastness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, October 9. Cost $4.63, sort of greatest 4.95, truly least 4.31, which generally is very critical. Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $4.55, truly greatest 4.87, by and large least 4.23, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, October 11. Cost $4.52, kind of most extreme 4.84, genuinely least 4.20 in an unpretentious way. Axie endlessness estimate on Thursday, October 12. Cost $4.45, certainly greatest 4.76, for the most part least 4.14, or so they explicitly thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, October 13. Cost $4.26, especially most extreme 4.56, especially least 3.96. And multi-week Axie boundlessness conjecture on Monday, October 16. Cost $4.45, in every practical sense, most extreme 4.76, kind of least 4.14. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, October 17. Cost $4.44, in every way that really matters, most extreme 4.75, kind of least 4.13, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Wednesday, October 18. Cost $4.51, especially greatest 4.83, kind of least 4.19. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, October 19. Cost $4.59, really greatest 4.91, especially least 4.27 in a fundamentally large way. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Friday, October 20. Cost $4.52, kind of greatest 4.84, kind of least 4.20 in an extremely significant manner. In about 14 days. Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday, October 23. Cost $4.43, truly most extreme 4.74, genuinely least 4.12 in a genuinely significant way. Axie endlessness estimate on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $4.51, truly greatest 4.83, really least 4.19 in an unobtrusive way. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $4.58, by and large most extreme 4.90, exceptionally least 4.26 in a sort of huge manner. Axie vastness estimate on Thursday, October 26. Cost $4.59, most extreme 4.91, kind of least 4.27 in a kind of huge manner. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, October 27. Cost $4.62, most extreme 4.94, sort of least 4.30 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks. Axie boundlessness conjecture on Monday, October 30. Cost $4.47, kind of most extreme 4.78, least 4.16 in a fundamentally significant way. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, October 31. Cost $4.45, sort of greatest 4.76, beautiful least 4.14, which really is very huge. Axie limitlessness estimate on Wednesday, November 1. Cost $4.49, kind of greatest 4.80, least 4.18, which in a real sense is very critical. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, November 2. Cost $4.54, beautiful greatest 4.86, extremely least 4.22 in a for the most part significant manner. Axie vastness figure on Friday, November 3. Cost $4.28, exceptionally most extreme 4.58, sort of least 3.98 in an unpretentious way. In about a month. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, November 6. Cost $4.24, kind of greatest 4.54, especially least 3.94, showing how a share limitlessness estimate on Thursday, October 12. Cost $4.45, genuinely most extreme 4.76, sort of least 4.14, which sort of is very critical. A share vastness gauge on Tuesday, November 7. Cost $4.26, fundamentally most extreme 4.56, especially least 3.96, showing how a share boundlessness conjecture on Wednesday, November 1. Cost $4.49, by and large greatest 4.80, essentially least 4.18, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axies today. United States dollars to Axies swapping scale pretty equivalent to 0.2235 coins per $1, which generally is very critical. Today's reach 0.2211 0.2236, certainly further appearance how the change truly was 0.0375, 0.83%, or so they in a real sense thought. The past day's nearby 0.2217, or so they basically thought. Change for now plus 0.0018, plus 0.81% United States dollars to Axies cost gauge for, in the not so distant future and month, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to a share limitlessness figure on Monday, October 9. Cost 0.216 coins, lovely most extreme 0.232, exceptionally least 0.202, which by and large is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Axies expectation on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 0.220 coins, lovely most extreme 0.236, in every way that really matters, least 0.205 in an exceptionally significant way. Dollar to a share limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 0.221 coins, especially greatest 0.238, most certainly least 0.207 and in every way that really matters, significant way. United States dollars to Axies forecast on Thursday, October 12. Cost 0.225 coins, extremely greatest 0.242, especially least 0.210, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to a share limitlessness gauge on Friday, October 13. Cost 0.235 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.253, truly least 0.219 in a sort of enormous manner. N multi-week United States dollars to Axies expectation on Monday, October 16. Cost 0.225 coins, greatest 0.242, lovely least 0.210, showing that a share boundlessness value forecast for, in the not so distant future, and month a share vastness cost expectation on Monday, October 9. Cost $4.63, extremely most extreme 4.95, beautiful least 4.31, or so they for the most part thought. Dollar to a share boundlessness conjecture on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 0.225 coins, especially greatest 0.242, genuinely least 0.211.